Good news! Select Fairfax County Senior Centers will reopen June the 29th. They'll open Tuesday through Friday from 9 to 4 for the summer. As members, you can join us at any of those reopened centers.
Let's give you the rundown. Fitness rooms will be open,
as will our computer labs. We have a great connection,
as well as great connections to services for older adults and their families.
Bring your own beverage. Hang out with your friends. Better yet, join in terrific conversations.
It's all fun and games until, no wait, it's fun and games.
It will be downright smashing.
You can also stay engaged on our virtual Center for Active Adults.
We'll continue to have virtual activities throughout the summer.
As we craft our plans to reconnect with each other, we encourage you to check our webpage for further information and updates.